Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Genius Junction. Today we are going to study important MCQs of Pakistan studies and our topic is Constitutions of Pakistan. Question number 1. When was the first constitution of Pakistan enforced? Correct answer is 1956. First constitution of Pakistan enforced in 1956. Question number 2. What was the current constitution of Pakistan? Correct answer is 1973. Current constitution of Pakistan is 1973. Question number 3. Who was the Viceroy of India when Pakistan was created? Correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. He was the Viceroy of India when Pakistan was created. According to 1973 Constitution, who is the head of state? Correct answer is President. President is the head of state according to 1973 Constitution. Which constitution of Pakistan abrogated twice? Correct answer is 1956. How many articles were in the original 1973 constitution? Correct answer is 280. There are 280 articles in 1973 constitution. Which constitution of Pakistan introduced the concept of basic democracies? Correct answer is 1962. Basic democracies introduced in 1962. The Constitution of 1973 declares Islam as, correct answer is the state religion. Islam is declared as the state religion in the Constitution of 1973. Under the 1962 Constitution, Pakistan was declared as, correct answer is an Islamic Republic. In 1962 Constitution, Pakistan was declared as an Islamic Republic of Pakistan. What type of government system was introduced in 1956 Constitution? Correct answer is parliamentary. The Constitution of 1962 provided for which type of legislature? Correct answer is unicameral. Under 1973 Constitution, the term of National Assembly is 5 years. Correct answer is 5 years. In 1973 Constitution, who has the power to appoint the Chief Justice of Pakistan? Correct answer is President. President has power to appoint the Chief Justice of Pakistan. Next question is how many parts are there in the Constitution of 1973? Correct answer is 12. There are 12 parts in 1973 Constitution. The Constitution can be amended by which majority in the Parliament? Correct answer is delta. Two-third majority of total member of both houses. Next is which article ensures the independence of judiciary? Correct answer is Article 175. Article 175 ensures the independence of judiciary. According to Article 2A, which document is made a substantive part of the Constitution? Correct answer is Objective Resolution. The Constitution of Pakistan gives the right to form political parties in which article? Correct answer is Article 17. In Article 17, Pakistan gives the right to form political parties. Thank you for watching Genius Junction. Allah Hafiz.